pack for all of my camping gear and my radio gear that supports the Parks on the Air program. And here's the packing that I'm going to go through. This is a dipole antenna for bicycle riding in case I want to stop and make some contact on the way. This is a HF multi-frequency, high-frequency transceiver unit. This I use for the Parks on the Air program when I go out hiking and camping overnight at Juniper Springs in support of the Parks on the Air program. This all gets stored into this pack. This is a storage pack only. This contains manuals and other materials for the parks, and especially the Juniper Springs and all the other hikes that I'm going to go through.